Oh, there's Mark and Eva, and we're here in Vancouver. And you got it, Mark?
No. I dropped my phone. I have to pick it up.
What?
My phone fell on the ground. Okay, I'll get it.
Okay, that's good. All right, I'm shooting. Where are we now?
You're before Squamish.
Okay, before Squamish Valley, north of Vancouver, on the way to Whistler. Lake, mountains. A little bit of a throaty coffee. So come with us.
What about the water?
How deep?
Well, it's pretty deep. Squamish is a deep sea port, so cruise ships dock in Squamish, so the water's very deep.
We're on the west now. See you then.
So come with us even, Mark, when we take you all over Vancouver, Canada, US, and the world to see everything unique and exciting.